Aruba. Sama ka? Sasama kayo ni Katie.
Please.
Can you see me now?
No. Baka mahina signal ko. Okay lang.
But I can see you though.
Spicy food.
Ay, well, good for you.
Yeah, good for me.
Just a little bit.
Ay, ayan na pala. Nag-brown out ata kanina.
Can you see me?
Ay, yes.
Good.
Ay, nagkakain na naman siya ng kulay ng damit. Bakit shouldn't have loaded 1.9? Bakit, guys? Nakakahiya kasi Chris ang mga members ko na fully paid.
I made the cucumber. I made the cucumber.
Ano, nagkapakit siya? Sabi ko, makinig ka? Puro ka naman sa akin.
What? Ano?
Sabi ko, nakakahiya sa mga members ko na fully paid. Nakakahiya sa mga members ko na fully paid.
But I put the
Kasi naintindihan ba niya?
ay kasi naka-ano. I don't mind. Wow. I don't. Probably you
Hindi
know.
niya iniintindi yung sinasabi ko.
Yes, I am.
Because when I make the
Ano yung sinabi ko?
Nakakahiya sa mga members mo na fully paid.
Yes. Fully paid membership.
Yeah.
yes, compared to the regular.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I like Persian.
That was nice, huh?
First country.
Happy birthday dito, lagi, no? Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan. So, sa mga mag-birthday today, happy birthday. You guys.
No. Ala. Ano mawala tong iPad?
I don't know. I did try though for the concert in Arizona. I made the chicken salad.
We are happy even if it's not our birthday.
I don't think there was any more by the time I ate.
Anong meron ulit sa Cavite?
Yeah.
Regada Festival.
So I have to leave at the area which I
Basaan. Basaan.
Naka-meeting suit ka sa ilalim?
Well, you can set up the colors.
Yes.
When you're talking, if I want to drink something,
May nakapang-picture ako.
Ha?
I hate that. I'm talking to you.
Nakapang-picture.
I don't need to get back. So I just flip it. And
Nakapang-picture?
yeah,
Yes. Yan o.
on the
Ay, tatanggalin mo after.
okay.
Uy.
No, I
Okay. Pero sa ilalim may bathing suit.
I just put it on.
she's
Ano mo ba sa akin may bathing suit ka?
I have to go look
Sila
for
lang magpa-perform lang kami. Ano to?
Sila. Ano kakantin mo?
and they know.
And I put Bill.
That stays off.
Oh, I like nga ba? Ulit-ulit ang tayo ko. Yes.
Ano nga?
Kahit
Ngiti?
ayaw mo na. Nakangiti.
It's so.
See how long it takes.
Minamastan kita. Hindi mo alam.
Pangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Diba?
Uy, nag-vocalize.
No, I don't need, diba? Kasi gusto ko raw kung ano yung lumabas, yun.
You know, Lisa, back in the day.
Hindi talaga ako yung kasi na kailangan practice. Gusto ko kung ano yung lumabas, yun na yun. Ayoko i-practice.
Yeah, why you don't want to play the game?
And then they got here.
Bukas. Anong
Bukas na
oras?
So you
Papunta ng airport. Aalis kami ng 11 a.m.
Oy, excited siya.
Sino?
Oh, we have.
Na?
Makita niya na yung sulat.
Food chow. And yeah.
Sana good news.
They just put they slice the meat. So
Tas, pagbukas ko, sorry.
they're gonna keep bringing you all the food.
Sorry, but I'm not raised. Sorry, I'm not raised.
Saan may, siguro dapat sa level 2 mo na lang basahin yung sulat.
Gusto mo sa level 2 na lang? Ah,
Yeah, for his favorite there.
that's...
Yeah.
I'm here.
That's it.
That's
Oh, yeah.
no.
Yeah,
Ano oras alam mo?
because in the Philippines we make tea.
Ang nasa-start na, yung unang, next na daw GMA.
Yeah.
Next ang GMA?
We make it after day.
The first person.
Because
Because we were given a oh, nice. I know, but I didn't want to get to a river. I think this up and how much? 1,000.
That's
yes.
Big brother.
Sa Aruba.
Ha? Also,
We were talking about
yeah.
Principal.
But dapat bukas, wala ka naman. Tuesday, Thursday lang daw siya.
Wala ba siyang cellphone? Hindi ko pwedeng kausapin sa cellphone.
Sa level 1 ka lang daw mag-read, wag daw level 2. Mahal daw yung level 1. Level 2 mo, Chris.
Ano na na?
Sa level 1 ka lang daw magbasa, mahal daw yung level 2.
Babasahin ko yung first half sa level 1. Yung second half, kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano yung nasa dulo,
Here, we're gonna go to your other.
yan yung first ng level 2 eh. So, you'll be? See? I'm from Aruba. Yung sinasabi ko, part 1 ay para sa level 1. Part 2 para sa level 2.
Part 2 para saan?
Part 1 ay para sa level 1. Part 2 para sa level 2.
Sa members, lumalab na ko, ay, gano'n sandali. Magle-level 2 na ako.
Actually,
Tapos after ko mag-live, nire-release ko naman. Kasi, pag di ko nire-release, nire-release nila.
People coming in. At 9:30, it is done with surface.
Yeah? Sige.
Dito ko na ila-live. Ano gusto mo rin eh? Hindi.
No, eating. Sige.
Hindi mo alam na pangako ay aking wala. Katagad mong ngiti, maabot hanggang sa langit. Kahit ka lang titigil,
We were here with the very youngest daughter, and
ang
on the way
puso
to
ko
nowhere.
sabihin.
She kept on asking for those.
Sa iyong ngiti. O, diba? Relax lang guys. Kalmahan nyo lang. Baka lamigin kayo.
Get no limits.
Save plus money.
Even at that time,
O, diba? Kahit ikaw ay masabi, sa'yo lang malapit, sa'yo lang aamin. Diba guys?
Yeah, they don't sing.
O, diba lalamig na sila? Tatakbo, tatanggang sisigaw ang pangalan mo.
It's a shame I didn't know before.
Ipipilit na lang, panaginip lahat ng ito. O, diba nilalamig na kayo? Tama na guys.
Pag
Ha?
hindi ko sa LA live ulit tayo.
He sings like chorus.
Kaya napag ko naman.
Ang taon niya.
My life was he sings a song.
Class, pagbibigyan ba natin sa account niya?
Lagi naman ako nandito sa account mo.
Nagbibigyan din Siya.
Wow.
Dapat level 1 lang. Huwag ka daw mag-level 2 ang OA daw.
Wow.
Brown na lang po, brown. Wow, my God. Yeah. Sige na. Bibigyan natin. Nag-yes yung mga ano natin na students. Bibigyan kita mag-live sa ano mo.
Wow.
Thank you naman.
Personal intern.
Oh, that's the yours. So, not a mojito, so it's a mojito.
Yeah. I'm better than that.
Is that a mojito? Oh, that's a tea?
Yeah, this is just tea.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good for
Yeah,
digestion after
recess
you.
na.
Pwede, yeah, pwede.
He's good stuff.
Nothing negative to think to say.
Oh.
Go.
You guys did a great job.
Yeah, this
Good job, everybody.
Yes. So, I'm looking forward. Right? You can move it. You can move. Honestly, no negative feedback.
Yeah, honestly, we had the best time here. Having fun along the way. We had fun, we had relaxation, we had a good show. Great
Talagang sarap.
man.
Leslie, what Christmas? Anong healing? Ay, anong healing? Anong Krista binili mo? Yung kumain ko pa sa arte, pa-cute.
She's the reporter of Aruba.
Headquarters. Headquarters. It's all about.
Yeah.
only producer.
So what?
The audience.
Miss Alma? Talaga?
You guys
No, it's because on our first.
Oh, tapos.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, marami pang tao dito. Ang lakas ng tao.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Guys, kala ko kasi bahay lang.
Sorry. So many people that they here today so can't even answer us. It's Vegas. You're like expecting tickets for like $100. Hey guys.